Hello guys, welcome to Technomeals. In this video, we are going to review Boat Airdrop 441. Let's get into the video. Opening the box, we have the charging case and a pair of earbuds is placed inside the charging case, and it has LED lights too. The bud feels lightweight in hands and the build quality also seems good. Apart from this, let's have a look around the charging case. First of all, it has a LED light which indicates the charging status, and the bottom of the box has some specification and a Type-C port for charging. As usual, like all other boat products, this boat product also comes with 1-year warranty card inside the box, along with the leaflet that feature other boat products. And a manual guide is provided inside the box. It will be quite useful for the first time user. Inside this small box, we have 3 pairs of different sized earbuds, along with a pair of ear flags that provides optimum fit in our ears. Also, these headphones are suitable for sports person as it is IPX7 rated, which means it has water and sweat resistance. Also, a compact Type-C cable is provided for charging purpose. Talking about build quality, it's all plastic built. The quality of plastic seems good. And also, matte black with red combination gives an attractive look. And another thing is, this headphones comes with various different color options. The earbuds also made of plastic and feels sturdy in hands. And providing extra earbuds is also a good thing. For pairing, first we have to open the charging box and then search for the device in the Bluetooth settings and tap the Airdopes 441 and it will be paired. This headphones comes with Bluetooth 5.1 version, and we can also use these headphones as stereo as well as mono. To use it as a mono headphone, we have to take a single bud out of its charging case and turn on Bluetooth settings. As the headphones are already paired, it will connect automatically. Talking about touch controls, single tapping any bud will act as play or pause. Double tapping right side bud plays next song. Double tapping left side bud will play previous song. Long pressing the bud will trigger the assistant that available in your phone. To attend a call, we have to single tap a bud. Talking about call quality, it's good. And the caller on the next end also feels the good audio quality with low environmental noise. To hang up a call, we have to single tap a bud. To decline a call, we have to double tap a bud. This particular headphones comes with 6mm dynamic driver. And talking about sound quality, the mid, high, low or feels good and decent. And we can feel any distortion below 90% volume, but we will feel a slight distortion in audio quality above the 90% volume. And it's not a big deal considering the price. For charging, providing a Type-C cable should be considered as a welcoming option. This charging case comes with 500 mAh of battery capacity, and it can be charged within 1.5 hours. A fully charged bud will provide 3 hours of continuous music playback, and it can be extended up to 30 hours with the help of charging case as per the product spec, but we can expect up to 15 to 20 hours of playback. You may have noticed Captain America logoed charging case appearing here and there in this video. It's just a silicone case to protect the charging case. If you wish to buy this, the link is in description. And we are not paid promoting this. If you have wish, you may consider it. Talking about pricing, this particular headphone is available in Amazon India as well as Boat's official website for about 1999 rupees. If you want to check it out, as usual, the link is in description. To the point, can we consider it or not? In our opinion, it's about taste and usage. If you are a sports person and need a headphone with minimal design, you may consider it. Or in this price range, a wide range of headphones available in this market as a choice. Talking about pros, this particular headphone comes with IPX7 water and sweat resistance and providing Type-C cable for charging, and also the touch response is good. Talking about cons, the design should be improved to provide better fit in small ears. Battery life should be improved. If the price is slightly less, it can be considered to buy. That's it guys. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to Technomeals. Catch you guys in next video.